Hey guys, I have come with another project, mobile price classification using machine learning technique. So in this tutorial, I have implemented a mobile price prediction using different machine learning algorithm. This project will classify the price range of the mobile price. So price range from 0 to 3. 0 stands for low cost, 1 stands for medium cost, 2 stands for high cost, and 3 stands for very high cost. Okay. Now I have trained a mobile price classification using three machine learning algorithms. This model classifies the range of the mobile based on different parameters like camera, touch screen, course, battery, clock speed, internal memory, battery capacity, and etc. After training the model using three algorithms, I compared all the models using a graph. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, import all the required libraries which are needed, like pandas, matplotlib, and etc. These libraries are used to load, reprocess, and visualize the dataset. Then load the training and testing dataset using the read underscore csv function of the pandas module and store into a separate variable train and test. Okay. Then write a code to display all the number of rows and columns. Now display the top 5 rows of the training and testing dataset using the head function. Okay, using the head function. Head function by default display the 5 rows. We can increase it by passing an integer value. Okay. After that, test dataset contains an extra feature ID which is of no use. So drop the ID feature from the testing dataset and using the drop method. Okay. So we drop it, then display the dataset using the head method. Now display our target feature, price range, and as you can see in the graph, 0, 1, 2, and 3 all have 500 rows. It means there is no imbalanced data set. Okay. Now check the shape of the data set, and as you can see, training data set contains 2000 rows and 21 columns, and testing data set contains 1000 rows and 20 columns. Then check that it contains training dataset contains null values or not. So you can see there's no null values. Then again check the information of the dataset. Then check the testing dataset information. Then describe the dataset. This description displays the count of the dataset, mean value, standard deviation value, minimum value, 50% value, maximum value. Then after that, some visualization of the dataset. We apply some visualization. Then we check the correlation of the dataset. But in this, but in this, there's no need to check correlation. All the features are the necessary to predict the price range of the mobile. I use here only for your knowledge. Okay. Then after that, check the outliers like training dataset contains outliers or not. So you can see there's no outliers. Then after that, we split the dataset into the independent and dependent features. Then split the dataset into the training and testing dataset to evaluate the model using the train test split method. It takes some parameters like independent feature, dependent feature, test size. We pass 10% test size. Then random state is equal to 101. Then apply the standardization on the training and testing dataset. Standardization makes all the features value in a particular range 0 to 1, as you can see here. And after that, after that, load the decision tree classifier model from the sklearn library and define the decision tree classifier and train the decision tree classifier using a x underscore train and y underscore train dataset. Then test the model using the x underscore test dataset and check the accuracy score and confusion matrix of the decision tree classifier. And as you can see here, overall accuracy is 83%. Then load the support vector classifier and define the SVC and train with the x underscore train and y underscore train dataset. Then test the model using the x underscore test dataset and check the accuracy score and confusion matrix, and you can see overall accuracy is 88%. Then define the logistic regression model and train with the x underscore train and y underscore train dataset and test the model using the x underscore test dataset. Then check the accuracy score. So you can see overall accuracy is 95%. Then plot the accuracy score using the bar plot, and as you can see the highest accuracy is logistic regression. Then test the logistic regression with a separate testing file. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, so this is our mobile price classification which predict the price range of the mobile based on the some parameters. Okay, so this is our mobile price classification. So if you like this project, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you are interested in machine learning, deep learning, NLP, Python, Flask project, so you can follow my this blog. I upload here different project tutorials related to data science, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, Python, Flask. So you can follow my this blog. So for now, thank you. We will meet you in the next project. Thank you guys.